Hello everyone. In our 2-minute revision lesson, today, we shall be revising the key study from the unit, Schizophrenia by Freeman et al., 2003. This study explored whether people without a history of mental illness could experience persecutory ideation, the belief that others are hostile or threatening when placed in a virtual reality environment. The aim was also to see which cognitive or emotional factors might predict persecutory thoughts in VR. A lab experiment was conducted using 24 participants, 12 males and 12 females, all students or staff from University College London, with an average age of 26. None had a history of mental illness, and they were recruited through volunteer sampling. Participants entered a 5-minute virtual reality library scene, where they were asked to observe and interpret the behavior of 5 avatars. These avatars occasionally smiled, looked around, or talked, providing ambiguous social cues. After the experience, participants completed several questionnaires, including the brief symptom inventory, to measure symptoms like anxiety, depression, and psychoticism. Others assessed paranoia, sense of presence, and persecutory ideation to check for priming effects. Half of the participants also completed these questionnaires before the VR task. In addition, semi-structured interviews were conducted to explore the participants' interpretations of the avatars. Results showed that while most participants viewed the avatars positively, a few had persecutory thoughts. For example, some believed the avatars were talking about them or being hostile. However, these thoughts were not linked to paranoia scores directly. Instead, high anxiety and interpersonal sensitivity were significantly associated with persecutory ideation in VR. Freeman et al. Concluded that even people without mental illness may show persecutory thinking in ambiguous situations, especially if they are anxious or interpersonally sensitive. Importantly, the study showed that VR is a powerful tool to simulate and investigate psychotic symptoms like paranoia in a safe and controlled environment. Dear students, remember the resource is always here for a quick, easy revision whenever you need a boost. I hope this was helpful. Thank you.